Gary Vee says this is the best way to make money online for beginners. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Gary Vee, all right, the super popular businessman, speaker, entrepreneur, you name it. He's all over the internet. He was recently on a podcast. I think it was the Steve-O podcast or something. And he was asked, what is the best way to start making money online if you are a beginner or if you have very, very little money? When I heard him ask this question, I pretty much knew what he was going to say, because he has been preaching the same thing for like the last 5-6 years on YouTube. So the one thing that he recommends anybody do if they are looking for a way to earn some extra money or even making a full-time living is garage selling and going to thrift stores. That's right, a multi-millionaire businessman, entrepreneur, speaker. This dude goes to garage sales and thrift stores, buys things for super cheap, and then resells them online. And Gary strongly believes that you can easily earn some extra cash with this, but he also thinks if somebody took this serious, that they could make $50,000 to $60,000 a year doing this. Now, keeping it real, I absolutely agree with Gary Vee when it comes to garage selling and, you know, doing thrift stores. Basically, you're just flipping items, all right? And this has been around for many, many years. And there are people that do this full time, all right? They do garage sales. They go to thrift stores. They try to find good deals. They go home and they sell it on websites like eBay, because eBay's still popping. A lot of people don't talk about it like they used to, but eBay is still popping. But a lot of people are selling on Facebook Marketplace. I mean, Facebook Marketplace has become very, very popular in regards to, you know, flipping things, reselling things, and making some money. And my sister and niece actually does this, but they just kind of do it just sporadically. But they sell things on Poshmark. They actually go to thrift stores and they try to find deals, and they go home and they list it on Posh. So what they do is they actually go to thrift stores, they try to find good deals, come home, and they post it on Posh. And like, I talked to my sister, and from time to time she'd be like, yo, you know, we just made 3 sales last week. And I'm like, oh, dope. You know what I'm saying? And I've never even been on Posh before, right? I should look into it, right? I was more of a eBay dude. Like, I remember back in like 2007, I was killing it on eBay. You know what I'm saying? Like, I made some decent little money a short period of time on eBay. And from time to time, I'll still like look around the house, and if I see something like I don't want or I don't need or whatever, like I'll post it on eBay and make a couple dollars here and there. The business model is definitely proven, all right? And this actually can make people money. It's just a matter of, you know, are you willing to do it? Because there are always some garage sales going on, and there are thrift stores damn near everywhere. In every city you can find multiple thrift stores. And the crazy thing is, you probably can get started doing this with just $5-10, right? Go to a garage sale or go to a thrift store and just, you could buy something for like $5 and go home and resell it for $20-25, and then take that money and just keep on reinvesting it, and eventually you can have a nice little business going on. But yes, 100%, if you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, try garage selling and thrift store shopping. Now, if you want to check out another way that you can start earning some extra cash online and how I make money online every single month, you want to watch this video right here, right now.